Oh, low battery. Oh, sorry guys, low battery. So here's my Christmas tree right now. It's like, okay, hold on guys. Why can't it work? Hala, why won't it work? Why? Why won't it work, guys? Oh, okay, very nice plug. Plug it in. Not yet. Not finished yet, okay? I don't know what happened, but I cannot click my thingy. Okay, hold on. I'll put you here. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, I dropped you. I dropped my phone. Sorry guys. I just dropped my phone. Hold on. Sorry guys, I flipped you over. That's because it got hit from the Christmas tree. It got hit from the Christmas tree. Ay ay ay. Miles R. Get adapter. Very beautiful place your phone drop, but I heard you clearly. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my